Kids, do you know what are social insects? And why are they called social?
Common examples of social insects include ants, bees, wasps, and termites. They are called social because they live together and help each other.
Social means friendly and helpful. And in this video, we will learn about the social insect, honeybee.
Honeybees are insects which live in hives. Depending on its size, a beehive can hold up to 100,000 bees.
Kids, do you know the 3 types of honeybees in a beehive?
There are 3 types of honeybees in every bee nest. There is only one queen bee. There are lots of worker bees, and the male bees are called drones.
Kids, do you know the various activities performed by honeybees in a beehive?
Only queen lays eggs in beehive. In return, she is fed by worker bees. Worker bees perform various tasks, for example, cleaning the nest, feeding the larvae, build new cells, guard the nest, and collect nectar and pollen. The drones do not work at all. They help the queen bee to make new babies. Honeybees are very smart. When a worker discovers a lot of new flowers, she flies back to the nest and tells the others. She starts dancing. The other workers can see where the flowers are from the dance. They find their way according to the position of the sun. The honeybee's nest is made up of thousands of hexagonal cells. These cells are not made up of paper. They are made up of wax and are called honeycombs. The cells in the honeycomb are like rooms in a house. They are used for different things. Some are used to store honey, others to store pollen. The queen lays her eggs in the empty cells. The young workers feed the queen and care for the larvae. Sometimes the queen lays over 1,000 eggs in one day. Small white larvae develop from the eggs. They all need to be fed. When the larvae have eaten enough, the workers seal the cells with wax. In these cells, the larvae slowly transforms into young bees. Gradually, the queen's family becomes too large for the nest. It is time to build a new nest. The queen leaves the nest and takes many workers and a few drones with her. They fly in a flock with her. The others stay in the nest and wait for a new queen to hatch. A swarm of bees look like a living grape. When the swarm stops to rest, a few workers look for a good place for a new nest. Once they have found a suitable place, the queen and the entire swarm fly off and start building a new nest.
Kids, I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next video. Bye!